hit that subscribe button and smash that bell icon to stay updated on the latest videos every week. And you know what? It's free. So let's get this started. What's up, awesome people? This is Ash, and today I want to talk about a tank bag that I had been using. I took it for a ride apparently, and I really found it very convenient. So hence the video. This bag is from Guardian Gear, and this is one of the smallest tank bags out there in the market at the moment, which is of great quality, and the price is pretty affordable. The bag has ample amount of space to store your cards and everything. I was storing all my memory cards and extra batteries for my GoPro in this compartment. This is not a magnetic tank bag, so it comes along with all the strap that you will have to tie it to your bike. This also comes along with shoulder straps. I mean, this is something that I really found very helpful on my travels. This also comes with a rain cover. The rain cover quality is kind of thick, but I haven't really seen how well the rain cover is gonna hold in heavy rains. If this video gets good amount of engagement and people like the video and want to know more about the product, probably I'll have a next video talking about the rain cover, how it performs, and more about this bag in the next video. The space is small, and my main reason was to keep the drones and the portable chargers, GoPro batteries in this compartment. But this compartment can be expanded as well. Apparently that is how I used it in my travels, and it was pretty efficient. It wasn't too bulky. Every day I had to unpack it and again put it on the bike on daily basis, and I found this bag to be very convenient. As for quality, the bag is amazing. It's pretty rugged. I really went rough on it, and it was able to handle it pretty well. This bag is something that every rider who is looking for something small, this is something that you should consider. So I think that's about it for this video. If it was helpful and you want to know more about this bag, features and everything, then do leave a comment. I'll make sure I make another video about this bag in more depth and detail. So till next time guys, take care and keep well.